Government, through its public sector modernization program, has been pushing forward to engineer a Jamaican public sector that's service-oriented, efficient and productive. In the 2013-2014 fiscal year, the government made the continued rationalization of the public sector a major priority as it sought to pursue a credible economic program through fiscal prudence.
Now that the negotiations in relation to the IMF have been completed, the Ministry of Finance and Planning will be placing greater focus on the implementation of what has been agreed upon for the modernization of the public sector.
As part of the 4-year extended fund facility with the International Monetary Fund, government committed to reducing the size of the public sector wage bill to 9% of what the country earns by March 2016. And to reach that goal, government is implementing a public sector efficiency program paid for with a $3.39 billion loan and non-reimbursable financing agreement. The contract and loan agreement were signed in mid-February 2014. The 5-year public sector efficiency program covers the design and implementation of an integrated IT-based human resource management system, information and communications technology management, and public sector control systems and accountability mechanisms.
So we can know at the touch of a button how many people are employed to the government of Jamaica, in what capacities and with what qualifications and for what duration and with what benefits that should flow.
With a greater focus on the ease with which public entities do business, the efficiency program will look at streamlining the business registration process and implementing the Public Financial Management Reform Action Plan.
In particular, the Government Electrical Inspector's Office, we want to ensure that this particular potential bottleneck is removed. We are also going to be directing resources to the Companies Office of Jamaica and to eGov Jamaica as part of this overall system.
The public sector transformation, Mr. Speaker, that we are actively working towards revolves around 4 essential focal points. Our public sector must be people-friendly. Our public sector must become more business-friendly. Our public sector must be driven by a culture of productivity and the use of technology. Our public sector must become growth-oriented.
Signaling commitment to this goal, the government in January 2014 appointed Venice Pottinger-Scott as Director General of Public Sector Transformation and Modernization in the Office of the Cabinet. Mrs. Pottinger-Scott took over responsibility from the Amalgamated Public Sector Modernization Division and the Public Sector Transformation Unit, the PSTU.
The Public Sector Transformation Committee replaces the Consultative Monitoring Group, which was headed by banker Peter Moses. The Transformation Committee will drive the finalization and implementation of the Public Sector Rationalization and Modernization Plan.
That committee's appointment became effective on February 3 and will serve for 2 years. In the 2013-2014 fiscal year, the government continued to act on recommendations from the 2011 Public Sector Master Rationalization Plan, among them cutting red tape by encouraging public servants to improve service delivery.
Getting the public service to address the matter of doing business is the first order of public sector reform.
And with that in mind, the Office of the Cabinet is far advanced on a second one-stop import-export inspection center to be located in Montego Bay, complementing the one in operation at Berth 11 in Kingston.
In regard to subdivision and building applications, the application and data automation Amanda system in the Portmore municipality is nearly completed. This Amanda system has been installed in 8 local authorities and will be rolled out to all local authorities and other key referral agencies by April 2015. The Public Sector Modernization Division has also facilitated help desks in the Clarendon, Trelawney, and St. Elizabeth Parish Councils.
The government has also been rewarding public sector entities that have been giving excellent service. Agencies at the top of their game were recognized at the 7th Biennial Public Sector Customer Service Awards ceremony held in 2013.
As the largest employer of labor, we must ensure that the public sector leads the thrust towards increased productivity and quality delivery of service in Jamaica. It is essential that you perform your duties in a courteous, compassionate, professional, and efficient manner.
Cutting red tape in a service-driven, fiscally conservative public sector, a vision for the future being aggressively pursued by the government. And from all indications, the vision is closer to becoming a reality.